Since moving back from university, I have realised that my room is just not my room anymore. I've stripped it from literally everything that made it my room and moved it to uni. So we need to fix that. The layout is also severely impractical because I had an operation before Christmas, so it was rearranged for like hospital mode, but it just doesn't work as a room. Excuse the mess, what we're working with. So the drawers over here are like, you just can't get into them. There's nothing in these drawers at the moment except from stuff that I probably should throw away. Desk is by the window, which is cute, but again, not practical with that there. Bed is along here, so there's this big space back here that I can't even get to. And then my bedside table is a little table that we need to move out because it's taking up too much space. And then I've got the bag that I moved back with. We need to give it a little bit of a rearrange. Looks like I've got a sweaty lip. I promise that's just lip gloss. I think I really want to put my bed here and cover the blue wall in like pictures. It's gonna be like a little game of Jenga. Wrong word. Little game of, you ever play that game where you like move the cars and you have to move them to try and get them out? Rush Hour, that's what it's called. It's so gross down the back of here. It's actually kind of insane how much floor space this has given me. What? I did not have any of this before. I don't know how that's happened. It feels a bit magical to be honest, but my bed's over here and I want to turn it into like a little cozy corner. The only problem is the entranceway is quite small. I've just got to go through all of these boxes that were under my bed and get rid of stuff and then put it back. Will you bounce there? Yes? No? I've got bored of tidying. It's about a week later, can't lie. The room's still in the same state. I wanted to make a picture wall because I've got this blue wall here and it's very plain. I don't have any big posters here to put up there. So I've been making my own. I was thinking I could make a big collage, but I think I'd rather stick Vogue pages up there. So I've just been chopping them out. That is pretty cool. I've got a few bits and pieces like this. Got a little page like that. And I'm just going through a Vogue now to find some more. This is kind of crazy because my first ever video was making this picture wall and I literally saved up all my money to make it. The difference in the style of this wall is crazy. As you can tell, this has become a multi-day job. So now I'm going to move the books because the books are the main thing taking up this space and I want to just clear it so that we can then decorate rather than be tidying all the time. Small stack of books there in the corner could be fine, and I want to move this out because it reminds me of being in the hospital. I don't like that. And then I thought maybe big books could go at the back of those thingies. Canvases and paintings that I don't really know what to do with, so I think I'm just gonna stack them over here. Good morning. This is actually like perfect little spot to put the camera. We've made a few progressions. We're like a decent way through the picture wall. The room has been completely rearranged, so my desk is over here now and it gives so much floor space. Like, I genuinely don't know how because there was never this much space before. I'm not complaining. Next thing I want to do is a few more pictures because this side of the room over here is so empty. So I've come up with a plan. I don't want to spend any money on this. Prove A, that you can do it, and B, because student budget. So the pictures that are on my wall are from Vogue's, obviously. And then I was like, what's the next best thing I can do? So I found a load of posters on Pinterest and I've just printed them out and I'm gonna stick them up. So I've got like this one, which has got loads of faces on it, which is really cool. And I split it up so that when I printed it off, it's gonna be much bigger because we need a statement. I then also printed off all these little stickers. They're just, if you search stickers on Pinterest, you get so many cute ones. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put them on, but I was kind of thinking I want to glue them to the top of this to make this shelf more cool, but equally I want to put them in the frame. And then I've got other ones, artist posters I found, a Kate Moss one, and then I found a Mac Miller one as well. which I just taped together at the back. I just put this picture in here. It looks so cool. I'm thinking he should go above my desk. Like, that just looks sick. I wish to participate in a cheeky DIY. So this is also another really good angle. I always forget how good the lighting is in here, especially compared to my uni room. This shelf, gonna take it down, and I want to decoupage glue these little guys to it. You can use PVA probably, or even just Pritt stick or blue tack them to the shelf. It doesn't really matter. I just sat instead in my room for ages and tried to think of different things I could do with it. I built this shelf myself, and there's so many holes in the wall. I'm in a sticky situation. I think I may have left my glue at uni. Excuse the pun. Okay, look what I found in the garage when I went out to get some glue. It's my old skateboard. Don't all get excited at once. I cannot skateboard. Maybe I just pop her there. This is the glue I'm using. I was a bit like umming and ahhing about how this would go. It literally, I don't think it could have gone better. Yeah, I'm gonna hang it back up and just let it dry before I put everything back on it because it's still kind of wet. I want to do another cheeky DIY. So I've got this big square box canvas and I want to do like a basic colour across the back and then write a quote or something on top. Only thing is I left all my paint at uni. When I tell you, this has literally been 2 weeks of work to get it to this point. So I'm struggling to remember what it looked like before, but I'm so pleased with how it's turned out. It's not finished, but it's like at a stage where I can just add to it now when and how I feel like it. So for instance, I would quite like to change my bedding and make a cushion cover. That's a job for another day. I think we're due a little room tour now. So here's some before footage. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe. Also, we hit 2,000 subscribers the other day. Makes me so happy that there are so many of you that want to watch my videos. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all and I will see you in next week's video. Bye.